Okay, so it was brought to my attention that there's a weird noise in my video at 2:37. So listen to this. But I'm actually doing pretty good with the dice. That's another. No, that's 6 saved. Well, I don't know. That is the most cursed freaking sound I have ever heard. And if I go to my editing, this is my raw file. This is what I edited. There is nothing here, right? There's no extra. There's just the game audio and my audio. That is it. That is the only thing here. That's another. No, that's 6 saved. What the fuck? It's never made that sound before. And that was different. Dude. Okay, I'm seriously getting I'm getting scared. That's another. No, that's 6 saved. I'm literally scared right now. It sounds different every time. There is no other audio there. There is nothing else there. Yet it's making that sound. I am fucking... I don't even know. That is literally horrifying. That's another... No, that's 6 saved. Well, I don't... It's like it's trying to say something. Save. 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 I don't know. But it wasn't making that sound before. But I'm actually doing pretty good with the dice. That's another. No, that's 6 saved. This is fucking weird.